Hey guys, welcome to the Electrician East London channel. We do lot of works, especially in commercial and residential electrician. So here's one of the work. One of the work you can see that is easily. If you want to do with your own, or you can do easily for switch fixing. And this is called junction box. So you just need to do phase ground. Make sure is make it properly so the lights will goes on. So it's really easy. Check this out, bro. So if you want to do it with your own, you can do it. Look at this. Make sure we're ready, and switchboard. Work on switchboard. Make sure all is perfected, so the light or chargers can set up easily. Look at this light and switch, and also another work. And this work is all about fixing junction box. Phase, neutral and ground, but here is only phase and neutral. Look at this work. So you can do it, or just call Electrician East London. If you're looking for electrician in East London, just call our company and we'll connect with you as soon as possible, and we'll make your work easily. So don't let your electricity bigger. We'll do generally see lights can work. Also here is our work. You can see that. So it is easy. Those guys are knows to electricity, it's really easy. But don't do it your own self, because it's really hard. If you put any problem, it will make a bigger impact in your house. So don't try it at home. Make sure call the electrician in our locality. We provide Leighton, Stratford, and a lot of place locally, and East Ham, Hackney, Waltham Store, all the places to cover.